will register with us. They'll call us to our call center, or our master operator, and they'll say, hey, na vehicle Hyderabad lo undi, maaku one way trip ఇవ్వండి అంటే కనుక then we actually give them a one way trip. So this way they're actually earning a ride back home also, which they're actually earning. So ఈ విధంగా ట్రావెల్ ఏజెన్సీకి అండ్ కస్టమర్కి ఇద్దరికి is a benefit point. So that's a challenge that we address, which is unique in India, and this is the first of its kind in India. And I don't think so. No one has done it till late in India. And looking at the stats, how Indian taxi industry gani one way outstation travel. Indian taxi industry is close to a $6 billion, $6 to $8 billion forecasted industry. Which is like 88% completely unorganized market. With all these big players coming into picture, but it's more to do with intra-city. Still 88% unorganized market on that. And daily outstation, one place to other, there is close to 5 million passengers who's traveling every day in India. So 5 million low, 1 million, 1.5 million, especially they're using taxis or these kind of modes of transport. So there's a huge potential for outstation trips or intercity travel in India. So also if you look at the forex revenue, it's 18 billion. There's a lot of tourists that's coming in today to India, and this is a kind of a ఇప్పటివరకు ఆర్గనైజ్డ్ గా ఉన్న ఒక taxi aggregation company or any services that is providing an outstation or intercity, there's not too many in India. So that's a kind of an opportunity that we found, that we wanted to get into, and then we got into this service, and we wanted to be unique. అంటే ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు చేసిన ఆఫర్ చేసే సర్వీసెస్ ట్రెడిషనల్ ఆఫర్ చేసిన సర్వీసెస్ కాకుండా we wanted to offer something different. So when we went out and when we looked at the challenges, this is one of the major challenges that we see from the customers and also from the travel agency standpoint. So both the sides, it's just not one side. So MT Taxi, which we are launching, maybe that's kind of that's kind of a unique stuff, and then it's benefiting both the customers and the passengers.